What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the Empower Budget app. The Empower Budget Planner is a free, user-friendly tool designed to help individuals manage their finances effectively. By allowing users to track expenses, categorize spending, and consolidate accounts, it simplifies the budgeting process. This intuitive platform empowers users to take control of their financial health and work towards achieving their financial goals with ease. Now, let's talk about some of its top features. Comprehensive Spending Overview. The Empower Budget Planner provides a complete view of your spending habits, allowing you to see where your money goes each month. This feature helps identify spending patterns and areas for improvement, enabling you to make informed financial decisions. By understanding your financial behavior, you can better manage your resources and prioritize your expenses effectively. Detailed Budget Creation. With the ability to create a detailed budget, the Empower Budget Planner empowers users to set clear financial goals. You can allocate funds for essential categories such as housing, groceries, and savings, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for. This structured approach promotes disciplined spending and helps you stay on track towards achieving your financial objectives. Flexible Adjustments. The planner allows for easy adjustments to your budget as your financial situation changes. Whether you encounter unexpected expenses or receive additional income, you can quickly modify your budget to reflect these changes. This flexibility ensures that your financial plan remains realistic and achievable, helping you adapt to life's uncertainties while staying committed to your goals. Now, let's talk about some of the drawbacks. Limited customization options. While the Empower Budget Planner offers a solid framework for budgeting, it may lack advanced customization features that some users desire. Individuals with unique financial situations might find the present categories insufficient, limiting their ability to tailor the tool to their specific needs and preferences effectively. Reliance on the internet access. The Empower Budget Planner is an online tool, which means it requires a stable internet connection for access. This reliance on connectivity can be a drawback for users in areas with poor internet service or those who prefer offline budgeting methods, potentially hindering their ability to manage finances on the go. Learning curve for new users. New users may experience a learning curve when first using the Empower Budget Planner. While designed for ease of use, navigating the various features and functionalities can be overwhelming for those unfamiliar with budgeting tools. This initial challenge might discourage some individuals from fully utilizing the platform's capabilities. The Empower Budget Planner is a valuable tool for managing finances, offering features like comprehensive spending insights and detailed budget creation. However, potential drawbacks such as limited customization, reliance on internet access, and a learning curve for new users may affect its overall effectiveness. Careful consideration of these factors can enhance your budgeting experience. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.